always glow. Dry them well. Clap, clap, clap. Now your hands are clean. Tap, tap, tap. Wash your hands clean with soap. That's the plan. Front and back, between the fingers. Rub and scrub, no germ lingers. Wash your hands clean with soap. That's the plan. Front and back, between the fingers. Rub and scrub, no germ lingers. Rinse with water, nice and slow. Healthy hands will always glow. Dry